FCE Tip 24, Reading and Use of English 3, Word Formation. Word Formation Activity. Reading and Use of English Part 3 is called Word Formation. Here the primary emphasis is on vocabulary. You are given 8 STEM words in capital letters. From this STEM word, candidates are expected to form the most appropriate word from given STEM word, to fill each gap. So in a column to the right of the reading passage, you will see the STEM words, also called roots, in capital letters, majuscules. The purpose of this activity is to test the knowledge of students of vocabulary and understanding of structure.
Unlike Part 1, multiple choice Cloze, you are not given any options or sets of words to choose from. You have to come up with the word by yourself. Extensive knowledge of prefixes, suffixes, spelling changes, and compounds is required for this task, as well as a good understanding of word classes. What type of word is required? A noun, an adjective, a verb. Understanding of the general context, that of the text beyond structure level, is also required. Advice 1. When you revise, try and list the range of words that can be formed from the same STEM word. Compete, competition, competitors, competitive, competitiveness, competitively, uncompetitive. Earn, earnings, earner, earn out. Loyal, loyalty, disloyal, loyalist, loyalism. 2. Don't forget that some STEM words given to you in this exercise will require as many as 2 changes, a suffix and a prefix, or a prefix and an inflection. Other change to the ending of the word, such as plural or verbal forms, for instance, i.e. follow, unfollowed, prefix, equals un, suffix, or inflection equals ed. 3. Do also bear in mind that other changes may be required, such as spelling, where the STEM word given to you is amended when a suffix is added, i.e. strong, strength, wide, width, long, length.